Building a glossary manually can be tedious, especially for courses with a lot of technical terms. But Storyline lets you import pre-made glossaries from a simple spreadsheet, saving you tons of effort. Open your Spreadsheet program and create a new document. In the first column, list all the terms you want to include in your glossary. In the second column, type the corresponding definitions for each term. Save the spreadsheet as a CSV file. Open your Articulate Storyline project. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Click on the Player menu. In the Player Properties window, click on the Glossary tab. At the bottom of the window, you'll see an Import Glossary button. Click on that. Select your saved CSV file and click Open. Storyline will now import all your terms and definitions from the spreadsheet in alphabetical order.